Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe this channel. This is part 3, so I'm going to explain you mode, month and m-round formula. So mode formula, this function display the most frequently occurring number in a group of numbers. For it to work correctly, there must be at least 2 numbers which are the same. If all the values in the group are unique, the function shows the error has any. When there is more than one set of duplicates, the number closest to the beginning of the group will be used. I'm repeating again. If all the values in the group are unique, the function shows the error has any. When there is more than one set of duplicates, the number closest to the beginning of the group will be used. And formula details, you just need to mention mode, select your range, close your bracket and then enter, and you'll get the most occurring number in that list. No special formatting is needed. This formula works in every single version of Excel, guys. Complete details available in description box. Please copy and paste for your future reference, but for that you have to subscribe this channel, because we already explained this formulas with multiple examples in our other videos: mode, month, m-round, mult, minute, median, max. Every single formula we already explained through using multiple and different kind of examples, so you can check those videos as well. Now move into month formula. Very simple, very unique. This function extract the month from a complete date. Explaining again, this function extract the month from a complete date. Formula details, you just need to mention month and select your date, close your bracket, enter, you'll get your month. Formatting required or not? Very important. Normally the result will be a number, but this can be formatted to show the actual month by using format cell number custom using the code mmmm or mmmm as per your requirement after getting the month details. So one more thing, means for using this month formula, you have that opportunity to change your format after getting the month result. Again, m-round formula. This function rounds a number up or down to the nearest multiple specified by the user. Very simple, very basic, very good formula. Repeating again, this function rounds a number up or down to the nearest multiple specified by user. Repeating again, this function rounds a number up or down to the nearest multiple specified by user. Very useful formula. You just need to mention m-round, number to round, comma, multiple to use, close your bracket and enter, you will get your detail. No special formatting is required, guys. This formula works in every single version of Excel. I'm telling you, we also have another videos in which we explain these Excel formulas with multiple and different kind of example. If this is difficult for you to understand through this video, so please check our other videos as well. But for that, please make sure to subscribe your channel. Please share your comments so that we'll try to improve ourselves. In a single video we are not able to provide formula details with examples, so we are so sorry for that, but we have another video in which we already explained this formula with multiple examples. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, guys.